Make 50 cents over and over unlimited times. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video here. To be more specific, we are going to earn money reading news. That's right. To find out all the details, make sure you stick around here till the end of this video. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, this is going to be a quick one on how you can make 50 cents over and over unlimited times. So make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with reading news here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real online business, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation at the end of this video, of course. But this is a perfect opportunity to get started with to make some extra money by reading news. So with that being said, let's get started to see what this is all about. Alright, first and foremost, if we have a look at the site, it doesn't tell us very much actually, more than Buzzbreak, which is the name of the app here. And you can see here, read news and earn free cash. So it will redirect us to Google Play and App Store. We have to wait, be patient, it's coming soon here. So this is a company called Portico that has created this app. So if you go to Google Play here, let's have a look at it. Buzzbreak News, Buzz News and earn free cash. So it's a news, Buzzbreak is a news app that shows you buzz breaking news from the internet. You can also earn points, redeem them for cash. So let's have a quick look at the screenshots. You can see here, you just have to read the news here, but you have to scroll down and you earn points every time, of course, you read the news here. This is another one, you can earn real cash. So you can see here that you can earn some free points. There is also a referral program. So they show you here how you can earn and cash out the points here. And this is how you can cash out. We're talking about PayPal money here also, which is nice. So I had a look first here. I reacted a little bit on the review here, but I saw that they were very quick and responded to this one because this Meryl here, she told us that she haven't seen the money there, and they actually responded the same day, May 10th here, as you can see. Please email us immediately at support@buzzbreak.news so that we can help you. And obviously she got the money later on here. So you can have a quick look if you want to see more reviews here. But I did a research online. I just typed Buzzbreak News Review. And I found out a lot of details actually at Beer Money Forum, which is a great forum, by the way, for making money online. So you can see here, they explain you here, download the app, open the app after download. After you open it, you will actually receive 0.003 here as a new user of the app. Next, it will prompt you to claim your next gift. Next after you click, so they tell you here exactly how it works. So you can see here, entering referral code will give you 200 points and inviting friends will earn you 500 points. And this is cool because the minimum cash out is actually 2 cents. You can see here for 2000 points you can cash out for 2 cents. So it goes really quick, you don't have to wait to come up with some crazy amount here. And here are some screenshots, actually some proof that it is a legit company. Here is the payout proof actually. So obviously it works. There is no need for me here actually to go ahead and explain more in details about Buzzbreak. It's really simple and straightforward. Go ahead, test it out and see if it is something for you to make some extra money online. Because you're definitely not going to get rich, as I said in the beginning of this video. Now, if you're interested, as I said earlier here, in making a full-time passive income online, build a real online business, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video, of course. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button. It helps a lot. Make sure you subscribe to both the channels that you see here at the end screen. Both are mine and both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities and much more. Make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you'll also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.